Alright guys, so I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new portable jump starter with air compressor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. So you get the user manual, carrying bag for it, the actual device itself. Check it out. Very, very cool. All right, and then in here you get the actual cables themselves. This will be for the air compressor, different tips for it, and then the Type-C to USB to charge it up. So we'll go ahead and just turn it on first. So just right here, very nice size LCD display right here. So if we wanted to do the jump starter option, it is back here. And all you want to do is plug this in right here. So you can see, blinking, ready to go. And then all you got to do now is just make sure this is on like it is there. Hook this up to the battery, red with red, black with black, and then fire it up. Fortunately, I don't have a dead battery at the moment. Sorry about that. But that's as simple as it gets, guys. It's literally plug it in, jumpstart the car, good to go. So now we'll go ahead and do the air compressor. And all you got to do is just turn it on here. All right, and as you can see, it is good to go. So then we'll go ahead and actually fire it back up. And I just want to show it on here. There's some different modes. So right here we have the bike option, and then that one looks more like a scooter, a car, and then if you want to inflate like a basketball, football, things like that. And then all you got to do after that is just hit it again. Works right up. It'll even show the PSI right here. One thing that I do want to say is you are able to modify the PSI as you like. All right, and then some of the other features that I did want to show is it also has that SOS button, meaning it also has a flashlight right here with different modes on it. So if it's dark or anything like that, and you're trying to see in your hood, you're able to use that as an option. And then it also does serve as a power bank. So if your phone's dying and your car died as well, you can still use this to keep your phone charged or keep your electronics charged. So let's go ahead and try that out. So we'll go ahead and plug it into the USB right here. And this Type-C is where you'll charge it. Plug that. Plug this into our iPad. And as you can see, charging right up. So as you can see, it can jumpstart your car, inflate your tires. It can serve as a flashlight, as a power bank. It's like a 4-in-1. So if you guys are looking for a new portable jump starter with air compressor, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Definitely helps out the channel. Highly recommend.